Hey guys, Telstam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error message or this dialog that keeps popping up saying system settings changed, and this won't stop coming whether you restart or not. This will continue coming up. So the way we can fix this, we just want to go on our search bar here and we want to type in services. So you should see services here. We just want to click that. So when services comes here, you're looking for a service which says AMD external event utility. So you just want to click this AMD external utility. You want to right click on it, then you want to click your OSS properties. So here under properties, we want to remove it from automatic. We want to set it to disabled. Then we want to click apply. Then we can click OK. So now the other important thing remaining is now we need to restart our PC. So you just want to go ahead and restart your PC. That should solve the issue. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more PC tips.